Outdoor lighting can electrify any landscape. Homeowners can instantly increase their property value, and you can grow your business. Contractors who partner with SiteOne know that when you need expert solutions to light the way to profit potential, a team with members across the country is there to help. Because knowledge is where SiteOne shines. Technical and design support, best practice articles, and lighting courses through SiteOne University equip your team to conquer new challenges. And whether you need to illuminate the front yard or a sprawling campus, SiteOne has the largest selection of fixtures and lamps ready for pickup and ready to meet your needs. We only carry lighting brands you can stake your reputation on, including our Pro Trade lighting products, which have professional-grade durability backed by industry-leading warranties. So you get no-nonsense value that's built to last. You stand behind your work. That's why we proudly stand behind you.